how to log into your Headspace account step by step. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply get the application from your Google Play or your App Store, or you can simply get into headspace.com. You'll get into this page where you can simply tap on the menu bar on the top right where you can see login button. Tap on login button, then we'll get into login page. If you're on the application, you'll actually be able to get this login button on the very first page of the application. Simply tap on that one and we'll get into the login page where all you need to do is simply add in all of the credentials of your Headspace account. So once you write in all of the credentials like your email address, you can simply tap on continue, but you'll need to select the option I agree to Headspace terms and condition. And when you tap on continue, here there will be the requirement of adding down the password of your account. Simply do that, and when you tap on login, you'll be able to log into your account. But here we also have these options, like if you have connected your account using any of those platforms, you can simply tap on them and go along with that process, or you can even continue with SSO if you want to. So there's like different ways or different choices that you have in order to log into your Headspace account.